This is crazy. I'm looking at a water snake, a banded water snake that has a siren in its mouth. It is dragging the siren, or small Amphiuma, I can't tell, but I think a small siren, and it dragged it out of the water from beneath a log and is now pinning it to the ground as it coils around its head, trying to swallow it. This is pretty amazing. I'll shut up and let you watch. I don't want to get too close and disturb it because this is clearly a hard-earned meal, but this is incredible. Oh my gosh, here it comes. I'm just gonna stay still. Seems like it might be a small Amphiuma. I earlier said siren. Wow. Look at it twisting. Crazy. Feel bad for the Amphiuma. I'm standing right in the full sun. It is baking me. I would move, but I just don't want to disturb this thing. Oh, here it goes. Definitely never had an encounter this cool with a banded water snake. And what a pretty one too. Look at that pattern. Unreal. The amphibian's still alive. I did get regular camera photos that are much better, but I'm just trying to get this on my phone. Wow, it's looking right at us. Snakes are so intelligent. They're so smart. It knew to take that out of the water to kill it quicker because it was struggling. It had to have known that and done that intentionally. It's got it right by the throat. I'm just dripping in sweat. You can actually see the tongue at the bottom of the mouth. Let me try to zoom in. Oh, I can't. But the little tube that essentially sticks out and allows the snake to breathe as it fills its jaw and expands its jaw to swallow larger prey. This is incredible. This is one of the coolest snake encounters I've ever had, by far. And I was just thinking about how I don't see snakes that often anymore. But here we go. Life happening right before our eyes. It's looking right at us, or right at me. Good meal. And in a protected place. I hope there's a road nearby. I hope this snake never has to cross it. Wow, look at that twisting. It's crazy. I haven't stopped the video or anything. It's just been continuous since I saw this first happen and got a few photos of it. Start with the camera just to document, because I would like to, I don't know, maybe put this in a note for her review or something. If anyone out there is interested in that, talk to me. This is nuts. I'm sorry the footage is so bad. I really don't want to bother the snake by getting closer. I feel like I'm just far enough to catch the natural behavior without disturbing the snake in any way. It hasn't moved or flinched to my presence since I first saw it, so I feel good about that. Look at that. Phone is like 1,000,000 degrees. This Amphiuma was probably about, obviously I didn't get out and measure it. I would say the Amphiuma was maybe 18 or 19 inches long, and this banded water snake is probably about 2.5, 2 3/4 feet long. It's big though, it's thick for a banded water snake. Definitely big enough for an Amphiuma this size though. It definitely took it down, but that Amphiuma put up a good fight. It really hung in there for a long time. It was dragged up out of the water maybe 15 or 20 feet next to a trail, next to a big lake in South Carolina. Sacrificing my hands for this one, you guys. I've been filming a long time. 32 minutes. The things you do for science. So snake's head, it's to the right of that vine, to the right of the plant. My hand is so tired, I'm so sorry, but it's really tired. Wow. Look at it. Here it goes. Dragging it away. Out in the open again. 41 minutes and still hasn't swallowed this thing. Looks like some of the Amphiuma actually came out. It's still twisting around. Oh my gosh, yeah. The Amphiuma is like crawling out of the snake's mouth. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. That's crazy. For those of you who stuck with me for 42 minutes, you're now seeing a pretty cool shot of the snake. Filmed on my phone, but the snake swallowing the Amphiuma came right out in the open. This is what happens when you're patient. See that? The Amphiuma is crawling out of the snake's mouth, and now the snake is swallowing it again. Look at that. That's my hand is so sore. I've been filming for 42 minutes straight. Just trying to, I can always edit this down. Just, what a cool encounter. I haven't moved since I first saw this. 43 minutes of standing still watching this thing. But what a reward. Very hot, very far from the trailhead, but pretty cool encounter. Look at it swallow it. It's really swallowing it now. Yeah. Down the hatch. Wow, the Amphiuma is still alive. I just saw its tail move. It's been swallowed alive for 52 minutes and 32 seconds. And counting. A little bit longer than that even. There's nothing romantic about this either. Just to clarify. Zoom in a little bit. There you go. 54 minutes of this banded water snake swallowing an Amphiuma. It's being swallowed, and I can finally put my hands down. Oh, there it goes. Very end of it. I got the whole thing on video. Seriously, unaltered, 56 minutes. Banded water snake eating an Amphiuma. Look, there's the last of it. Gulp. I want to just watch this snake all day, to be honest with you. That was pretty amazing. Going into the very end. God, the tail is still moving on the Amphiuma. So that thing has been swallowed alive for 56 minutes. Can you imagine? Jeez. Nature ain't always nice. There's like an inch of tail dangling out of the snake's mouth. I'm just really invested in this thing. I really want to see the whole thing happen. And I will. My phone, thank you Verizon for, you can sponsor this video later. So I've been able to film this whole thing. Wow. That's it. I just saw the entire thing. Alright, I'm going to leave this snake alone. It's licking its tongue now. Thank you, snake, for that amazing encounter. Bye, everybody. 59 minutes and 11 seconds. Pretty amazing. Thank you for sticking with me this whole time. Bye-bye.